Hi friends, welcome to today's video. Today is 4th July. We'll see what happened on market. We'll start with update from the Trumps. So currently there are no update from the Trump regarding the war situation. He is mostly busy in the event of their 250th anniversary. There are some celebration events are going on all over the America, and the Trump is attending some of them. So the updates are mostly regarding that only. From the Iran side, there is a funeral for the Khamenei, which has been going on, and most of the foreign delegates have been attending the ceremony, and the news are coming only regarding the ceremony as of now. So for now the situation is stable and there are no escalation reported till Sunday, so it's a good news for the market. If we consider the Indian markets, like there are no fresh news that are coming from the Indian market which is gonna like impact the Monday's opening. We have seen a strong, a monsoon start in the India as well, and El Nino it's like started to loosening out, so it's a good news. There is some update from the RBI, like there are some new RBI derivatives rule for the NBFCs, which like introduce the corporate bond TRS under new credit derivatives framework. So I think they will give some additional tools to manage the credit risk. This is regarding that only. Maybe it will give some funding, like more liquidity in the market. We'll see how it like unfolds. If we talk about the commodity, the crude oil is at 72 barrels unchanged. It's quite stable right now, and also gold is starting to soar as the demand rises and the market has stabilized. So yeah, I think gold might be in a good run moving onwards. If we see the currency market, we saw in the last week the INR was falling against the USD. On the last day it recovered slightly, like from 95.4 level to 95.22. We'll see how much it will recover in the coming days. Now we'll quickly look at how Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty performed on last Friday. Firstly, look at FII and DI activity. It's a positive symbol. On Thursday, FII bought around 200 crores in capital market, and on Friday they bought around 1200 crores. But interestingly, DI have sold 2000 crores. It's slightly a role change. Usually we see the FII have been the net seller and DI have been the net buyer, but on the Friday's scenario, DI was the net seller and FII was the net buyer. So I guess the forex money have been started to coming into the India, as there are some news from the AI stocks. Like we have seen the Kospi market have been fallen mostly because of the Micron and Samsung stock, and there are some huge bearish movement we have seen in the tech stock in US as well from the Nasdaq. So I think there is some good news for the India as the forex money is started to pump in. Nifty 50, it was open at 24,375, but later on it like gone bearish and it closed around 95 points upward from its last position, and it closed around 24 to 70, and it is quietly looking some bearish. The stocks which supported were Bharti Airtel, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank and HCL Tech. The losers were SBI, Axis Bank, L&T, Bajaj Auto, Adani Ports. we consider the bank nifty, we are seeing the constant pressure on bank nifty. Unlike of nifty, the bank nifty was in like bearish pressures throughout the week, and also it closed negative 93 points. And the losers were Union Bank, Bank of Baroda, PNB and Axis Bank, and the net gainer was IndusInd Bank and HDFC Bank, which also moves Nifty 50 upwards. If you look at the global markets, the Nasdaq is in negative 1% and Dow Jones is in positive 1%. The Nasdaq is negative mostly because of the IT stock and AI related stock. It is very interesting to see what will happen on Monday. We'll see. If you consider the Bitcoin is in the downward trajectory only. It is making lower lows, and it is currently trading at around 62,645. So there is no fresh rally in the Bitcoin we have seen in the last 1 month. So yeah, that is the update for the today, and we'll see how market will perform on Monday, and we'll meet again. Thank you.